Transform your approach with the power of self-love and empathy. Heart-led leadership. Transform your approach with the power of self-love and empathy. Unlocking leadership potential, the power of self-love and self-care. Consider the secret of leading with exceptional empathy and achieving extraordinary results. Explore the concept of leading with heart as a leadership style prioritizing self-love and self-care. Shifting perspectives in corporate leadership. Challenge the traditional focus on a relentless pursuit of targets and goals in fast-paced corporate environments. Introduce the idea that success can be attained through a different approach, emphasizing self-love and self-care. Not self-indulgence, but self-preservation. Clarify that self-love and self-care are not about self-indulgence but about preserving and nurturing leadership capacity. Emphasize their role in leading with empathy and authenticity. The ripple effect of empathetic leadership. Highlight empathy as more than a soft skill, becoming a superpower when leading with heart. Showcase the positive impact of leaders radiating empathy towards team members. Thriving teams, thriving organization. Illustrate the ripple effect of leading with heart throughout the organization. Connect empathetic leadership to engaged, motivated, and collaborative team members. The magic of leading with heart. Emphasize the transformative results of prioritizing self-love and self-care in leadership. Link empathetic leadership to achieving better results, fostering innovation, and building a positive workplace culture. Creating a compassionate work environment. Stress that nurturing personal well-being benefits not only the leader but the entire work environment. Encourage a more empathetic, compassionate, and successful workplace for everyone. Forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource. newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub. mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs dream lifestyle. supats.com. Connect with us at WeCare@newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.